Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Clockify guide for 2026, I'll show you how to generate time reports in Clockify. Whether you're tracking personal productivity, managing client projects, reviewing team performance, or preparing invoices, Clockify's reporting tools make it easy to analyze your tracked time. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Clockify account and open the workspace that contains the time entries you want to analyze. Make sure all relevant time entries have been recorded before generating your report. Next, locate the Reports section in the left-hand navigation menu and click on it. This is where you'll find Clockify's reporting and analytics tools. Once you're inside the Reports area, you'll typically see different report types available. Common options include summary reports, detailed reports, and weekly reports. Start by selecting the report type that best matches your needs. Summary reports provide an overview of tracked time, while detailed reports show individual time entries and activities. Next, choose the date range for your report. You can generate reports for today, this week, this month, a custom date range, or any specific period you want to analyze. And that's how to generate time reports in Clockify. By using report filters, date ranges, and export tools, you can analyze your tracked time, improve productivity, and make better project management decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.